watching BMW 750. The customer dropped it in because he had his subwoofer installed. I'm not too sure where, but the installation wasn't done right, and he starts smelling some sort of smoke in the vehicle. And here we are trying to figure out the problem with the previous install. Okay, so it's basically a JL Audio 500 amplifier with a JL Audio subwoofers as well. He got it installed, like I said, at another shop. Anyways, the one thing that we notice over here is that the LOC that they use is burning. Like you guys can see here, it's completely burnt out. And you can even look at the connections. The connections are completely very, very bad. Not so sure what they're doing here. Everything is taped up, double wired, and anyways, no comment on this one. So we will be fixing this installation. They use an LOC that I'm not so sure what voltages it can handle at the input, but obviously the voltage wasn't high enough, and then the electronics inside started burning. So we did go ahead over here and test. This is the OE amp. The OE amp is right here. So we did go ahead and test the signal that were coming into this LOC. They tap it over here, and that signal here there gives us up to 16 volt RMS when we crank the volume all the way to the max clean signal. We can get up to 16 there. This LOC, not so sure what kind of voltage it can handle, but it obviously couldn't handle the voltage that the amplifier is putting out, so it burnt out. Now the objective here would be to first replace the LOC, and then second we install his subwoofer. As you guys can see here, Romial already mounted the new LOC on this rack here. We use this piece of metal that was actually in there. It's an OEM bracket that was in there. We use it to mount the LOC. So we used it basically as a rack because there was nothing mounted on there. So this part is done. This LOC can handle up to 20 volt RMS input. So we are very good out there, no problem at that level. So we will not experience this kind of problem with that. This is not going to happen. So now Romial is working on there trying to make the connections for the LOC. And after that we will go ahead and reinstall his amplifier. And no more smoke on this vehicle. Almost done here with our beamer. First step here he completed. The park line output converter is in there. It's already installed right there. The connections are made through the amp harness here, and then it goes out up there. So waiting for he's not done yet. So this portion is still to be done. Okay, so he's done with with mounting the LOC. Like I mentioned before, this LOC is good to go up to 20 volt RMS. So we're not gonna have any issue like the previous install had over here with the burning LOCs. So this portion done. Over here he's also done taking our arm turn on. The arm turn on is up here, and you can see he rotated over here and down below. This is our amp. He's still working on the amp. He's not done over here yet. And as soon as this portion is complete, we will put the subwoofer in. And we still have to tune this LOC here to make it match the volume level of the OEM head unit, or of the output of the amplifier, whatever you want to, however way you understand this. So yeah, that's where we are right now. So we're gonna go ahead and I think it's better to do the tuning right now. We can do the tuning, and then once we're done with that, I can let him complete his work, and we'll wrap up here. So let's do that. Okay guys, our test tone is on. We are going to go ahead right now and tune this LOC so we can put the rack back to where it belongs. And once that's done, we'll move over at the amp level to install it and then finish the tuning there. As long as we know we have a clean signal out of this, we should be good to go and put the rack back where it belongs. So let's do that. Okay, we're gonna install the scope meter. Okay. The scope meter is connected. We are connected on the input level on our LOCs here. So this is meant to go in the input. So that's the input level that we are measuring right now. Let me put this back in there. Okay, input level LOC. So now we're gonna put the test tone and see what we get from here. We're gonna make sure that the input here is clean before we connect it in there and check the output. Then do any adjustment that we might need to do here. So go ahead and put it on. All right, input. The signal is clean at this level. This is the level that we're gonna tune the system at. I'm gonna move over and make sure that the voltage that we get is not. See the voltage over here now. We have 15.6 volt, and that is the reason why the previous LOC did burn out, because 15 is probably higher than what it can handle. Most of those LOC, like the non-power LOC, most of them they go for a 10 volt input, and then you can see here that we are getting about more than 15 volt out of the amplifier. So that did burn the LOC that the previous shop did. So far we clean with 15 here. This guy can handle up to 20, so we good so far. We're gonna go ahead and connect it back in the LOC and check the output. Let's do that. Okay, our LOC is now the input is connected back in. Now we're gonna go ahead and check the output. Our scope meter is ready to go, and let's push the test tone in there. Go and play. Okay, voltage, we have 5.4 volt out of the LOC, 5.6. That's pretty good. And we're gonna see now the waveform. Make sure that the waveform is looking good as well. Let's adjust the scale here. There we go. Waveform, clean signal out of the LOC, and voltage 5.6. We are good to go here. So we're gonna go ahead and put back the this bracket where it belongs, in the spot there, and keep going here with the installation. Alright guys, at this point this repair is pretty much completed. We put the trunk back together, as you can see here. So all we're doing at this point is just basically making sure that we're still getting our clean RCA signal, and then we will Then go ahead and attach the amplifier back to the subwoofer box just like it was when it came in. And after that we'll just set up our gain and crossover and ship this baby out.